Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello all, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the previous year UPSC Mains economic question. Let's begin the session. Yes, this question was asked in 2013. It is a 200 words 10 mark question. At that time period, the 10 mark question will have a think of 200 words. Now it is changed. Now 10 mark question contains 150 words. So it is not a big thing. Here the question is about discuss the impact of the FDI entry into the multi-trade retail sector on the supply chain management in commodity trade pattern of India, of the Indian economy. So here the major thing is about multi-trade retail sector. You have to say about what is this multi-trade retail sector. For example, go with the example, what is it as like e-com industries like Amazon or else the Flipkart. When it comes to the offline stores like Walmart, and also there is a thing called as Metro Cash and Carry. These are the things are called as the multi-trade retail sectors. So the multi-trade retail sector is nothing but in the single roof, under the single roof, they will hold the multi-brand and also multi-products with them. So that is about the multi-trade retail sectors. So the definition is, it is saying that involves the selling of the products from multiple brands under one roof. It is a retail format where the goods from the different manufacturers and brands are sold together and providing the customers with a wide range of choice. So that is about the multi-trade retail sectors. The question is about the impact of the FDI entry into the multi-trade retail sector. So the impact, first of all, you have to speak about the positive impacts. So when it comes to the FDI into this multi-trade retail sector, the first major impact is about the wide range of goods. That is going to increases the consumer's choice. So the consumer choice is going to increase. So that is the first major benefit. Second is this wide range of consumer base. So sorry, wide range of the goods that is going to increases the consumer's choice of going for a new goods, buying the new goods. Next is the major benefit here is about the competitive pricing. The competitive pricing between the different companies. Consider that Amazon, they are selling a product for 100 rupees. Then Flipkart, what they will do is they will sell it for 85 rupees or 90 rupees. So that is the competitive pricing. So that will increases the consumer to buy the product, and also it will make the goods affordable and cheap. So that is the benefit. When it comes to India, the India's economy is running based on the consumptions. So India's economy is based on the consumption based economy. So the consumptions will be increasing. So that is the next major benefit. And also next major benefit is about this retail shows. The major multi-trade retail sectors are a labor intensive sector. For example, that retail store will contain the huge number of employees to manage the consumers and also to make the arrangements and also to clean. So in that sense, it is going to provide the huge employment opportunity. Next major employment opportunity from the transportation of these goods and also delivery of the goods. to doorstep. When it comes to transportation, means it is a transportation of the bulk goods to that regions. Next is about delivery of the goods to the doorsteps. So in that sense, it is going to provide the huge employment opportunities. And also, it is not only about that thing, it is about the BPO services and also the IT services to maintain the platform, maintain the websites, and also maintain to give the consumer grievance, to solve the consumer grievance. They will run the BPO services. So in that sense, it is going to provide the huge employment opportunity. Next major benefit is the FDI into this multi-trade retail sector will leads to provide you the huge innovative creative ideas, because all that FDI company, all the FDI is belongs to the multinational companies. It is the foreign players. They, when they are trying to come into India, they will come with new ideas and creative ideas. So that creative idea is going to help the consumers. For example, when it comes to Amazon, what they are doing is they are having the thing called as Amazon Prime. If you are holding the Prime account, means you will get a 1-day delivery or a 24 hours delivery. 1-day delivery. So in that sense, you are the consumer who are going to buy a product, they won't need to wait for longer time period. So that is the major benefit. So consumer will have the easily they can avail the product within the day. So that is the next benefit. So it is going to give you the creative ideas and innovative ideas that will overcome the issues of the normal retail shops. So that is going to be overcome. So that is the major benefit. When it comes to the Zepto, they are going to provide the goods, groceries within 10 minutes. So all these things are done due to the competition. So that is the major benefits. So that is going to, again, that is going to help the consumers only. So in that sense, the FDI entry into the multi-trade retail sector having the huge potential of benefits. So these are the major benefits given by this multi-trade retail sectors, the FDI into the multi-trade retail sectors. But at the same time, it is another major benefit is it is going to help the small manufacturer or the producer. So the small manufacturer or producer, they can sell their products in that e-commerce platform of this multi-trade sectors. Multi-trade retail sectors, they can sell their products in that e-commerce platform or else in the offline shows. So that is also going to help the small manufacturer or the producer. So these are the major benefits due to this FDI entry into this multi-trade retail sectors. But still, it is having the major negatives also. First major negative is about the predatory pricing. Predatory pricing is nothing but selling the goods in zero profit or less than the profit. For example, zero profit or with loss. The reason for doing that thing is to overcome the competitors. What they will do is, for example, the manufacturing cost and also the transportation cost and all the things cumulatively making a product price is 100. Okay, so Amazon is selling this product for 80 rupees with the loss of 20 rupees. And also the Flipkart, what they are doing is they are selling it for 100 rupees. So obviously the consumer going to buy the product from the Amazon for 80 rupees. In certain time period, the Flipkart won't be in that market. So there won't be any competition. Afterwards, this Amazon will fix the prices 120 or 130 rupees for a huge profit. Why they are doing this? Now they are don't having any competitors. So in that sense, they will become a monopoly. So the predatory pricing is leading to the, in future it is going to give you the issue of this monopoly. So that is the major issue that is going to happen. And when it comes to the foreign players, MNCs, they can definitely do that because they have the huge chunk of money. They can easily go for this thing, predatory pricing. They can sell the product for a loss, even for 4 to 5 years, even for 10 years. They can do that because they having the huge money with them. They can easily do that. By the way, they can easily overcome the domestic players and also even the major foreign players also. That is going to happen. So that is the major issue when it comes to the FDI into this multi-trade retail sectors, predatory pricing and the monopoly. Second major issue is, initially it is going to help the domestic players or else the small manufacturer. But later on, it is not going to help them. For example, consider the Amazon. What the Amazon is doing is, now the Amazon is having the thing called as Amazon Basics. You are planning to buy a computer mouse. So if you are going to search that computer mouse in the Amazon, means first 10 products, the priority will be given to that Amazon Basics. Even though there is a quality products available in that platform, still they will try to promote their own products. So that is the major concern. So that will overcome the players who are the small manufacturer. So they won't be viewed by the customers. So in that sense, the small player won't get any competitive market in that field. So that is the major issue. So the small player at a certain time period, they will be just evade away from the market. They won't be there in that market. So that is the major concern. So these are the major issues when it comes to the FDI entry into the multi-trade retail sector. And obviously there will be no shops, retail shops. There won't be any retail shops available in your near to the streets. That is also going to happen due to this FDI entry into the multi-trade retail sector. So these are the negatives of this FDI into the multi-trade retail sectors. So both the things are there about the positives and the negatives. So the government is need to focus on that issues of negatives. For example, when it comes to the predatory pricings, the Competition Commission of India, they have to be the major watchdog to overcome these issues. By the way, we can safeguard the domestic players also, and also we can easily get the fruitful benefit from this FDI entry into the multi-trade retail sectors. So the institutions like Competition Commission of India, Consumer Protection Acts, that need to be work in more of a precise manner. By the way, they can overcome the issues of this negatives. So this is about this question's answer. Okay, thank you.